Have you watched this?
Hi Barbie. Hi Barbie. Hi Barbie. Hi Barbie.
If you have, you probably listened to this as well. Unlike me, you have been singing it non-stop since the first time you heard it. I love the harmony, the softness of the vocals, but my favorite part is the riff. And today we're going to be learning how to sing it. First, we have to know the key of the song and how to sing the scale. In this case, it's C major or the scale of Do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Now, onto the riff. 'Cause Now the musical phrase with the riff is going to be built upon the 2-5-1 of C major. Those are the chords D minor, G7 and C. Now, even though you have 3 chords, your riff is going to be built into the second, the G7. This riff has 2 parts and going to start with the third of the chord, B, and it's going to finish on the 5th. Section number 1, section number 2. It's going to start on the 3rd, finish on the 5th. Now, we're going to be singing this very slowly, both sections, in 3 different tempos. We're going to start with Adagio, then we're going to do Andante, and then we're going to do it Allegro. Even though the song is on 78 beats per minute, that falls onto the Adagio, which is quite slow. Your riff is not going to be that slow. That's why we're going to try it on 3 different tempos. I wanted to remind you that here at Bliss we not only react to amazing artists singing amazing songs, we also teach piano and singing, and we are offering a free taster. All you need to do is to click on the link in the description box, and then you will be brought to our website when you can select what type of tasters you would like to do. You can select from singing to musical theatre to piano, and then select the time and the day that suits you best, and we're going to see you on the other side. Now from the beginning. 'Cause Did it sound fine? Was it easy and light to sing? If not, you can try adding an H in between the notes, like this. This is just for practice. Don't try doing it on the stage. Once you know that your riff is very well defined and that your notes are like raindrops, then you can remove the H and you sing it the way it is. 'Cause I don't know how to feel. Now you're good to go.